Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your dry erase board for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First thing I did was I went to SVG REPO and I found the YouTube SVG that I want to use, and I clicked download. I saved it to my desktop. And then I went ahead and I uploaded it just by clicking upload and then upload image and then browse. And then I clicked on the image and then I just added it to Canvas. So I'm at this point now, and this is the measurements that I'm going to need for the dry erase board. And I'm going to hit make it. Next, I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to select premium vinyl. Okay, so I just need a small piece of vinyl, and I'm going to go ahead and use the brayer. And I'm going to hit the flashing arrow and then the Cricut button. And then I'm just going to take this off and I'm going to apply the red vinyl. And it is the same type of vinyl, so I don't need to go back and hit browse. I'm going to load the mat and then hit the Cricut button. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cut the excess off. Okay. Okay, so here's my dry erase board, and I'm kind of in an awkward position to do this, but I'm going to put this here and then this here. So what I'm going to do is just leave this here while I do this, and then so it stays kind of, centered together. So what I'm going to do is take the transfer tape, and I'm just going to apply this. Okay, so I just kind of put it there so you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and scrape it. And then pick it off. Okay. Set that aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and place this right here. And I just got done actually writing everything that I needed to do when I came up with this idea. So it would probably be a good idea not to have anything written there. Okay. Okay, and I'm turning it the other way so I don't have to reach over. And I think I'll be okay, even though this doesn't cover everything. I think we'll still be able to use it. Okay, so what I plan to do is just pull it up like this. Okay. Voila! This is such an easy project. And then it looks super cute. And it's positive when you're, making a list of stuff you have to do. It's kind of like, oh, it looks so cute. At least that helps me. When you're all organized and it looks cute, then you get excited. Okay. Okay, so I just finished doing the YouTube, and I thought, why not put numbers? So what I'm going to do is insert a shape, and I'm going to do a box, and then I'm going to mimic the dry erase board that I have. So let me go to the width I have as 15, and these are the measurements that I have left that I'm using. So and let's make this white, and I'm going to drag this up here, arrange, bring to front, And then I am going with Edwardian Calm. And I just happen to have that on my Cricut, so I don't know where I got it. But if you like the font, I'm sure you can just type that in and type free font, and maybe it'll be there. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just do like 1 to like maybe 10. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to print that out or cut it, and I'll be back.